Hello, good morning, folks. My son not yet home. Like I said, he go for holiday, likely Malaysia. Okay, happy Sunday, folks. There's Lee Paul, the retirement. So, happy Sunday, folks. So, this is only me and my hubby, okay? I don't prepare for him because he's on holiday. Understood. Okay, me and my hubby only brunch at Tumblak for the World Cup of Singapore, July 12, 2026. Okay, we're having scrambled eggs, toast, dumpling, and the fried chicken. Okay, me and my hubby. Toast, scrambled eggs, dumpling, and fried chicken. Enjoy at home Blackford, the World Cup of Singapore. Me and my hubby brunch. Happy Sunday, July 12, 2026. Enjoy, folks. Today early, I wake up early. Then I don't sleep. Let's listen for the retirement. Today early, maybe not yet 11 a.m. Never mind. I wake up early. Enjoy, folks. Atong Black for the World Cup Singapore. Me and my hubby branch. Happy Sunday, July 12, 2026, Singapore. Atong Black for the World Cup Singapore. Enjoy!